Hey guys, what's up? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use your smartphone as a computer keyboard and mouse. So further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay guys, now you can see my Windows computer screen. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open up your browser and search on Google for Unified Remote. Then go to this first website unifiedremote.com, and from here you have to download the Unified Remote installer for Windows. Click on latest server and it will start downloading the exe file of the Unified Remote. Now after downloading, normally install it on your Windows computer. Okay, then click on finish. Now Unified Remote has been installed on our computer and acting as a server. Now go to your mobile phone and tap on Play Store. Then tap on search bar and search for Unified Remote. Then install this application on your mobile phone. Then open the app. Then tap on I have installed the server and it will look for your computer. Then click on let's get started. Now to use your mobile phone as your computer keyboard and mouse, click on basic input, skip and continue. Then tap on got it. Now you can use your mobile phone touch screen as the mouse pointer or touchpad of your computer. Here I am opening the Chrome browser, and to enable the keyboard, tap on this keyboard icon and it will open up the keyboard. And now you can use your mobile phone keyboard as your computer keyboard. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed this video. So please give it a big thumbs up and share this video to friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTec tutorial, and I'm signing out.